Hello, my name is Dale Richards. I'd like to introduce you today to a Knowledge is Power manual that can transform your business with increase of revenue, profits, and value 2 to 5 times, which has been implemented in over 150 companies in the United States. Associated with that manual are 10 video instructions that will help you implement each of the top 10 ways. I'd like to give you some background. I started out my career as a chemical engineer. I worked 10 years at that, and then I was fortunate to get my MBA at night, and I worked then with the power company to take employees' ideas all the way to the market. I've had the opportunity to speak over 400 times in 38 states and 7 countries on certified valuation principles and then my top 10 ways to 2 to 5x revenue, profits, and value. Just a minute with the top 10. First, performance dashboards. If you do not know where you've been, how do you know where to go? Performance dashboards can give you that map to improve your processes and effectiveness. Number 2 is the productivity pyramid. With just the productivity pyramid, we have 20 to 300% increased productivity of a company. Now think through, if your company could increase 10%, what would it do for the increase of capacity, lowering costs, and improve your effectiveness and efficiency? Number 3 is the 80-20 Gold program. This program is switching from a reactive customer service program to a strategically designed, proactive customer service program with building relationships. This program alone, we've been able to double revenue. Number 4 is why do customers buy? It's a way to build your brand for free. Number 5 is rifle versus shotgun marketing, which is a way to focus your marketing approach. Number 6 is turning tribal knowledge to systems and processes. This one item alone is a 1 to 3 multiplier of value. Number 7 is recurring revenue. It's way more valuable to have recurring revenue than one-time sales. Number 8 is knowing your competition. If you don't know your competition, how can you adjust your product strategy and your marketing? Number 9 is removing employee and product dead wood. This tends to creep into companies and lower morale and lower efficiency and effectiveness. Number 10 is strategically pricing for increased profits and revenue. Thank you for the opportunity to talk to you today. I look forward to working with you, and I wish you the greatest success in the coming year. Thank you.